Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Seedance 2.0 just received one of its biggest upgrades yet, native 4K video generation. But here's the good news, you don't have to use Seedance separately anymore. With HitPaw Edimakor, Seedance 2.0 is already integrated into the AI video generator, allowing you to generate videos directly from text prompts or complete scripts, all inside one application. Simply describe your idea, or paste in a full script, choose Seedance 2.0 as your AI model, and Edimakor will automatically generate matching video scenes in just minutes. And that's only the beginning. Once your AI video is generated, you can continue editing it without leaving Edimakor. Need subtitles? They're generated automatically. Need realistic AI voiceovers? Just enter your script. Want to translate your video into multiple languages, replace clips, add transitions, music, text animations, or effects? Everything is available in the same timeline. If you'd like even better visual quality, Edimakor also includes an AI video enhancer that can sharpen details, improve clarity, reduce noise, and upscale your videos with just a few clicks. Instead of jumping between multiple AI tools, you can generate, edit, enhance, and export your entire project in one workflow. Even better, Edimakor supports many of today's leading AI video models, not just Seedance 2.0, but also Kling 3.0, Vita Q3, Pixverse, Hailuo, Wan, Happy Horse, VO 3.1, and more, giving you the flexibility to choose the model that best fits your project. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, marketing content, educational videos, social media shorts, or presentations, Edimakor helps turn your ideas into polished videos much faster. Plans start at just $19.95 per month, with a $49.95 yearly plan, while the lifetime plan costs only $69.95 and includes 10,000 AI credits, making it a cost-effective solution for creators who regularly use AI video tools. So if you've been wanting to try Seedance 2.0, why not experience it inside an all-in-one AI video editor, generate your video, polish it with powerful AI tools, and export your final project, all without switching between different applications? What AI model are you most excited to try inside Edimakor? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.